everyone, today I made a jumping fidget toy for St. Patrick's Day. When you press it, it jumps up in the cutest way. You'll need a few simple things: the printed template and any kinds of thick paper, scissors, and glue. First, prepare the printed template. Then, glue it onto any thick paper you have. Cut out the box shapes. Trim the glue tabs. Then, gently fold along the lines and make the box shape. Now, attach the hat and the mustache. Make the big box the same way. Next, let's make the paper spring. Hold the paper back and forth, just like a spring. Attach one end to the big box and the other end to the small box. And it's done! It's fun to play with and it also looks lovely as a small decoration. It's very easy to make but super cute, so I really recommend it. Thank you for making this with me. Happy St. Patrick's Day!